Yesterday, the State Minister of Internal Affairs, General David Muhoozi, presented a statement to Parliament on the status of the relocation of Luzira prison to Buikwe, to which some honourables opposed.
Without the current proposal by an investor to put up a hotel at Luzira in exchange for constructing a prison, it would inevitably be necessary to plan for a suitable alternative to Luzira prisons. The question of what to do with Luzira land is a detail, provided due diligence is complied with. Towards this end, therefore,
there's an old English adage that once bitten, twice shy. So members are saying, on behalf of the people that we represent, we have seen land being given away for these developments, and the developments do not happen. And so there is lack of trust.
This deal you're in is a scam for one reason. This has happened before. We lost Shimon, we lost Naguru land. We have been in this cycle for a long time. And no wonder, that's why in the presentation of this information, we do not see the facts of the beginning or the genesis of this deal. Because we see a report being made already on the 25th of March, before the whistleblower to this House.
While addressing journalists at Parliament over the statement, the Shadow Minister for Internal Affairs, Betty Nambooze, who also doubles as the Mukono Municipality MP, questioned the acres of land on which Luzira prison stands on, claiming that currently 260 acres said to be available contradicts the original 420 acres known of the land previously.
We wish to establish how this land was utilized. We are talking about the 64 acres that we are given to Uganda Investment Authority, the 13 acres that we are given to the Catholic Church. And then, how come that today, instead of talking about 420 acres, we are talking about 260?
She called on Parliament to interest itself in conducting a special audit of Luzira prison's land.
It is our contention that before anything else is done, an audit is instituted to establish the true acreage of the land at Luzira and how it is being used, the true status, its status as we talk right now.
Nambooze argued that the same trick being used on Luzira prison's land was employed under the disguise of building the same project of constructing a 5-star hotel and a conference hall, which until date has not seen the light of day.
We have seen land changing hands. We saw how Shimon Demonstration School was taken over with a promise to build a 5-star hotel and other facilities many years after 2007 when the Chogam people were here. What remains of Shimon is land lying idle, a hotel supposedly built to offer hotel services, but currently being hired at an exorbitant price by the Parliament of Uganda.
The Internal Affairs Shadow Minister, however, thanked the Speaker of Parliament for allowing the opposition to move a motion next week against the relocation of Luzira prison's land.
Please bring it in the motion.
That's okay.
Because it goes against our rules of procedure, especially after a ruling has been done, but your point has been gotten.
Although we are grateful that he has given us an opportunity to come up with a motion, knowing that these people are moving very fast, we thought that it would be proper to bring this matter out ahead of the day and time Parliament will provide for the presentation of the whole motion concerning this matter.